A parrot found a whistle. So he went to the sparrow and he said, "Hi sparrow, I found this whistle.
Parrot found a
Is this
sparrow.
whistle yours?"
Sorry.
"No, it's not mine." "Let's ask a crow." So both of them went to crow and they asked the crow, "Hi crow, is this whistle yours?" "No, it's not mine," said the crow. "So let's go to the duck." So they went to the duck. "Hi duck, is this whistle yours?" "No, it's not mine," said the duck. "Let's ask the owl," said the duck. So they went to the owl and they asked the owl, "Hi owl, is this whistle yours?" "No, it's not mine," said the owl. Then he asked him, "Where did you find it?" He said that, "I found it under the mango tree." He thought that it must be Robin's. So they went to the robin and said, "What's wrong with you, Robin?" "I lost my whistle." "Don't worry. Look at this. Is this yours?" "Oh yes, it's mine. Thank you very much," said